How's it going, guys? I'm Matt from Coldharted. So today, what we're working on is my buddy Eladio's OBS. So while we're at Sparks during the drag session, one of the bolts sheared off on his drag block. So ended up coming up, slicing off his damn switch box wires. So where they placed is kind of a shitty spot anyways, but we're getting that fixed up and hopefully get to see it on the road here pretty soon. Keep watching. So this is the track, so I kind of give you an idea of what happened here. Is at the show I had used one of his factory bolts and I drilled a new 1/2 inch hole for one of the grade 5 bolts, and I guess it was just too much for the drag session and ended up shearing it right off and brought this up and cut the wires clean off. So it was pretty interesting seeing him stuck in drag mode all the way from the bridge all the way back to the campground. So, but I got the other side cleaned up already. Gonna put some crimps on, some solder connections. This kind of stuff I use. I like to use these guys. These things are pretty cool. Just some crimpless soldered waterproof connectors. They work pretty slick. So while I'm doing this, I actually cut all the crap that got sheared off, but I'm gonna bring that wire loom back, and what I did was I just went and cut them and cleaned them completely flush, and I'm gonna go through and stagger them so they go tighter back into a loom. Makes it fit a lot better, looks a lot better, a little more professional. But we're just doing this temporary for right now, so that way we can get the truck to air up, obviously, and get it into the shop. And then once it's in the shop, we're going to redo the whole harness, so that way it's cleaned up and no extra connections. And he wants a different switch box too, so we'll take care of him on that one. Got the wiring harness in there, new grommet. That was the original hole where that blue wire is going through. I still need to trace down what that blue wire is, but these wires didn't even have a grommet guarding them. Put a new wire loom on it, put new solder connections on there, place the fuse on there, tuck them in, get them in there. Got the old switch box lighting up. Everything worked like it should. Compressor's working now. Well, just turned off. And I'm kind of look underneath here. Then you can kind of see where that block fell off. But then I got the new loom going up into the fire or into the floorboard. That should last enough to whenever I get it done. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay cold-hearted.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. Might makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me